You're watching UNICEF Television. The start of another school day in Baghdad. It is remarkable that these children continue to come to class amidst the chaos of Iraq's war-torn capital city.
Our parents drop us off at school and pick us up. They're afraid for our safety because of the explosions happening in the streets. Some students were killed in Mustansireya.
Although many students are dropping out of school all over Iraq, these children persevere in spite of the dangers. And UNICEF and its partners are supporting them.
We thank UNICEF very much for providing pupils with books and stationery, and with everything they need. This has helped to improve the situation in the school after having a difficult time. Because of cooperation with organizations like UNICEF, we've managed to rebuild the health and sanitation facilities for pupils and teachers, and provide them with safe drinking water.
This school has benefited from a nationwide rehabilitation program, which, as well as supplying educational materials and improving infrastructure, has also seen UNICEF train some 50,000 teachers, all in an effort to stem school closures and to fulfill Iraqi children's right to an education in spite of the conflict. A good education for all children here is Iraq's best hope for a secure future. This is Rachel Bonham Carter reporting for UNICEF Television. Unite for children.